Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos, joining my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, hit subscribe button below, like this video, and you can hit also the bell next to the subscribe, and it will notify you for the next video. And today I will do the unboxing of this Jetson Bolt Pro. I got it from Costco online. It's a little bit maybe different from the one in store. They usually have different tires, but not always. And I will show you in details how to unbox it and how to set it up and how to use this bike all in one video. And if I missed anything, I will post in description another links to the video I made before for the similar bike, Jetson Bolt Pro. And I'll post some other video where you can see how to ride this bike and what not to do on this bike. All right, so today it's a beautiful day as always in California. As you can see, it's very clear, no wind, so it's a great day to unbox the e-bike. All right, so let's do this unboxing. The box inside the box, so it comes in two boxes, and this is the box. I have 100% electric, of course, mileage up to 50 miles range. Speed, you can get a little bit faster. Then tires, twist throat, pedal, so everything is the same. And this is 2021 Jetson Bolt Pro. I don't think there is any much difference, but let's check it out. All right, so let's see how it looks inside. As always, they put a really nice package so it will not get damaged. You can see it's packed really well, so don't be afraid to order from online because it's really good packed. Comes very quickly. Right now at Costco, I think they still have them. I'll put link to Amazon where you can buy one if you don't have Costco. The price may vary. This is the bike. Okay, so this box usually have pedals, like manual instruction and other information what you need. First I will remove the seat. Okay, I'll put it on the side. Okay, we don't need it. Then everything come real nice packed. First, I will bring this up. Once you bring this up, it's very simple. You just lock it like this, and over here is a lock. You push it in, so it will hold it in case it will not open. Okay, so you make sure you lock this side. You just going to the right, moving, and we'll lock it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the seat just to have it in. Very simple, just remove the paper open this latch, move to the center like this, and you just insert it. Okay, and then on this side you'll see small things. You just turn it in to adjust it to have tight. Do by hand tightening only. Okay, and just close this latch and it will hold it in place. I'll keep the curtain on just in case I don't want to damage on it, and then I will remove additional paper. I will put on here, and then I'll get pedals and put the pedals on. I'll show you also in details how to turn on lights. Very important, because and cruise control. It comes some Mudguard over here. You put on the back over here. Okay. It comes with pedals, charger, and the light. This is a real light. You just attach on the seat pole. I'll show you how to do it, very easy. And all the tools you need comes right here. Something about pedals for you to know and make sure you put in right. Over here says left, L. Over here says right, it means right one. And you just attach them by hand and tighten with the tools over here. So I usually use hands to attach them first. Very simple. And you just tight to the clockwise, I believe, like this, by hand only. And once it's all the way to the end, I'll use a tool. Okay, and I'll do the same thing on this side for the pedal. Then you take this tool from this package. Okay. Same thing you do on this side. Tighten up the pedal. I will attach the guard. It's very simple. It comes really nice packed, so you will not get damaged. It's very good at when you have rain or dust, so you will not get dirty. And you attach it over here. To attach this mudguard spoiler, very easy. There's a bolt over here. You just remove it. Make sure when you remove it, you don't lose anything from this. It comes with all you need to attach it. You put it here, insert it back, and then you just tighten up. You will have to have two tools which are also located in the same place. It's a different, so it comes with two different sizes. So you take this one from behind over here, holding this nut and just twisting over here. I think last time they didn't include this tool, now they start to include it, so it's very nice. Now I will install this light. You just take this light and you can see this white piece like this. You just grab from another side. So let me show you. It's right here. You pull one rubber around the pole and connect to this piece. And then you can remove now the cover. Okay. And now you almost set up your bike. So if you need to turn on at night, you just press it once. If you press twice, it will blink. Press one more time, it will blink different way. and now it's turned off. And also it nicely comes right now with a plastic from both sides. Beautiful. Okay, before you need to also set it up. Basically you release this latch up and you move your handlebar the position you want to hold it, probably like this, and just tighten up. On the back over here there's tighten bolt, so you do it by hand if it's not that tight, but looks like it's good. I will probably do like this. Okay, it all depends how you like to do it. I'll release some plastic over here. You would need a Phillips screwdriver. It comes also in a box. Okay, and you would need it to tighten up this bell. You just tighten up. This is not the best screwdriver, but again it's available. It's good they put it in, so you have all the tools you need now, and just twist it to it. It works. It's not the best bell, but again the price of the bike is very affordable. And same thing you do over here. I usually remove the slide because you don't really need it here, but I will just keep it for now. I will remove it later. I don't like this bell like light. It's just, I don't need it here. You can just remove it if you don't need it as well, because it's kind of abstract and it's, you already have headlights. So anyway, so I want to show you how to use this bike. And if you have any problem with setting up, you can call. There is a number listed, customer service. They should be able to assist you. Okay, many people ask me how to use this bike for to turn on headlight, and it's very important because at night when you need it, and if you don't know how to turn on headlight, you are in trouble. First you need to turn on this bike on, and then you'll see light right here. Okay, and what you do now, you press this button for 3 seconds, and I would count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and just release it, and then you will see the light should come up. Okay, turn it off the same way. You just hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I would say 5, and it's off. So here's how cruise control works. You press this power on while you're riding the bike. You turn your throat, okay, and you press this button, and this way you will ride it. And if you need to release the cruise control, you just turn it off by pressing it. Once again, you ride it. While you're riding the bike, you press one time and it will ride it. If you need to turn it off, you just press on it and it will turn on. It's very simple. Also, don't forget to put some air in your tires. It should be about 35 to 50, depending on the weather. I prefer like 35 front and 40 on the back tire. If you are underinflated, you may get flat tire if you hit some curbs. So it's good to keep above 35. Also, don't forget to check the link above or below for how to protect your tires from flat. You can put a sealant inside. As soon as you bought it, it will protect you for long future, so you will not get flat from nail or when you're riding off-road. This bike is cool tires, everything looks good, but you can always get flat tire. So please check again the link below in description or above. I'll post a link how to put the sealant in the tires. It's very simple. I would recommend to get, it would be the light. That's kind of the only things I recommend you right now, which is critically needed while you're riding the bike at night. You need a good light, because this light is good, but it's not good for few reasons. You cannot really see much because it does not turn with your wheel, so you need to attach some good light. And I'll post link also below about the light I use for my bike, and you can check this video, and you can buy it on Amazon. I'll post a link in description. This bike does have a pedal assist, which is good if you're riding long distance without any stops much. Then pedal assist is real good. You don't have to turn it on, it's always on as long as you pedal your bike. Okay, you will just kick in unpredictably. Usually every twist you do, it's turn on, depending on your speed you're going. Okay, so this 2021 Jetson Bolt Pro, and looks like tires almost the same. Really nice tires, 14-inch wheels, good mud splasher, or whatever you call them, spoiler. The seat's still the same. I think it's a medium softness. It's not the best, but it's a very good seat for the price you pay. So that's a bicycle you're gonna get, Jetson Bolt Pro. Again, I will post more links in description, and if I missed anything, you can find everything in a link. I will not do the ride test right now because I already made many videos on this bike. Okay, so that's about it. So this is a Jetson Bolt Pro. I just show you how to assemble. It's very simple. I have a lot of videos. If you need measurement of this bike, I'll post the link below. Please check description. Also, don't forget hit subscribe, like this video for algorithm. Also, I'm gonna do a few more videos about this bike compared to another one I have already similar from last year, to compare what's gonna happen if you disable the pedal assist versus with pedal assist, to see how much speed change will affect it, because there might be speed increase, maybe not, because the other bike I already have with speed increased. So I would have to test this bike, and I will do it different videos. So please don't forget hit subscribe and bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will not miss this video. And again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.